What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I am tackling a busted tire. I didn't get a flat. I'll show you guys what happened in a second. So basically, I've been riding a lot lately on my old beater bike, which I, in the previous video, did some upgrades to, or did some maintenance to. So ever since that's been done, I've been taking it out a little bit more, getting some rides in, so I'm not stuck inside all the time. Unfortunately, the tire busted. It developed a bubble in the tire. So I'll have some pics of what happened over here. So it turns out that my tire is busted. I'll show you guys what happened in a second. So today I'm going to be switching out my old tire with some Gator hard shells by Continental. I'm running these same tires on my Engine 11 for racing. I like them. They're tough and durable, and I haven't had any problems with them. So let me show you guys my current tire, and then we'll get into the replacement. So here is the old tire. As you can see, the bead kind of fell down it. I'm not sure really what happened. Here's a better look. So there was the bubble was right here, and it started growing to the point where it was rubbing against my brakes. I barely made it home. So yeah, that's the faulty tire. I barely made it home my last ride out because the bubble was growing. I could feel it rubbing on the inside of like the fork and the brake pads. So yeah, I think now's a good time to get into it and switch it out. So right now I'm just using these Bontrager tire levers to just get inside the rim and take off the old tire. If you want more in-depth tutorials on changing your tires, they're out there on YouTube. I'm no pro mechanic, so I'm just doing it how I know, but I'm sure someone on there could teach you the most proper way. So these old ones are 23C, and I picked up some 25C just for a little more cushion, a little more stability on the bike. They should be able to fit both front and rear. I am also changing the rear, but this video is just on the front because there's nothing special going on in the back. So I'll just do that off camera. So I'm not sure how well it's gonna focus, but you can kind of see how messed up the beading is here. It looks like the tire pulled off the steel bead. So yeah, I think it's definitely time to replace this one. I think the tube should still be good enough to run. This valve was giving me some trouble, but you know, I might as well just switch out tubes. I got this specialized one here. You know, new tires, new tubes, why not? It's just gonna add that level of confidence that everything should be fine and I shouldn't have anything to worry about. Especially these tubes and tires are 7 years old. So yeah, I think I'll just swap them out while I'm at it. Alright, so here's the new tire. It comes folded. I'm also going to inspect the rim tape. Make sure no spokes are poking through, no damages on that. Check the rim. Make sure there's nothing, no chips, no rough areas that might puncture the tube. Now what I'm going to do is just give the new tube a little bit of air just to give it some shape. help if I opened it up. If you have these piston valves, I highly recommend getting one of these like adapters. It just makes pumping on regular pumps that much easier, even though this pump does have a Pesta slot on it. Sometimes it just doesn't want to cooperate. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna lay the inner tube inside the new tire and slowly feed on the inside bead all the way around just to get the one side on. Alright, so now that the one bead's on, you want to make sure you get your inner tube centered, and then work the other bead on as well. Whew, okay. Now that that's on there, just gotta slowly pump it up to just a few pounds, just so you can get some shape into it and make sure that there's no pinching going on between the tube and the rim, because you know there could be some tube between the edge of the rim and the outside of the tire. Okay, everything seems to be good, so now I'm just going to pump it up to the proper pressure. Alright, so once it's done being pumped up, you just can throw it back on your bike. Alright, and that's it's done. Like I said, I am going to do the back tire as well, but you've seen one, you don't need to see both. If you want a better tutorial, I know I'm not the best, but there's other ones on YouTube that can help you a little more. But thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.